In this video, I'm going to show you the exact step-by-step process to take one winning ad and replicate it across multiple products, languages, and characters. I'm doing this for the brand Shein, and I'm going to train an AI agent to be a specialized performance marketer for this. Using an agent is going to allow me to create 8 to 10 variants of the same winning ad every day, and you'll be able to do this for your brand as well. Stick around till the end where I break down exactly how much I spent making these ads. So let's jump into it. You open Invideo, and on this page, you type out the broadest brief of what you're going to create today. We want to replace the product in a winning ad with a different product, so that's what I'm going to type out. Now, before doing anything else, I'm going to ask the agent to research Shein's visual language. But as a marketer, you'll already have a document that covers your brand's voice, tone, logo, color palette, and so on. So you can just upload that into the chat here. You can see that the agent has basically populated the context tab, which I like to think of as the brain of the project, because the agent's going to remember all of these things throughout the project, throughout the ad that I create, throughout all the images and videos without me ever having to prompt for any of these things again. It's also come back to me with some clarification questions instead of just assuming things. It's asking me stuff like, what kind of ad are we making? What platform? What's the campaign goal? I'm locking in my answers. We are creating video reels for Instagram and TikTok. It's a performance campaign. And the brief is now set. Now we get into replicating the specific ad. The first thing I'm doing is I'm uploading the winning Shein ad in which we want to replace the product. And I tell the agent, this is the reference video. I want to swap the outfit with a different Shein outfit, keep everything else the same. Now look, this is pretty great. The agent has literally gone and viewed the video. It's understood that the model's wearing one outfit in the first half, she's walking off frame, and she's coming back in the second outfit for the second half. And that there's a clear cut in the middle and there's a lighting change that happens between the two cuts. Okay, so essentially now the agent's broken my reference video into two clips, a day look and a night look. And this has just made it so easy for me to replace the products without any confusion. I'm going to start by swapping the outfit for the day look. I upload images of the new product. Just make sure that you upload images of the clothes only, a front, a side, a back, and a texture close-up. This is because if you do this, the agent will remember that the texture of the clothes has to look exactly like this and will keep it 100% consistent throughout the ad. Now the agents generated a few options for me to review and iterate. Going through them, I picked the version that's working best for me, which is this one, and I've locked it. Now I do the same thing for the night look as well. So I upload an image of the second outfit. I again give it multiple angles of the product. The agent remembers what it had done last time. And again, it gives me options that I can pick from. I'm happy with this one, so I lock this one. At this point, I have two clean clips with the two new outfits. All I have to do now is stitch it together. So I just ask the agent to do that in the same way that the original ad had it. It does this, but I'm noticing that the cut has landed a little too early. There's basically just like a small jump that I can see between the two clips. I mean, I can manually edit this in Premiere Pro, but I can always just jam with the agent like I'm thinking out loud, and I'm just going to ask it to trim 1 second from the second clip and then restitch it. The agent does it, and that's great. That's one product swap done. At this point, I want to scale this process. So I just give the agent a new set of outfit references, again, back and front images. And that's it, and I ask it to run the same swap again. And it's really cool that the agent just does the whole thing without me re-explaining anything. So much so that it's also remembered to sort of trim that 1 second from the second clip and then stitch the two clips together. And that is a wrap on workflow number 1. This agent is now acting like a specialized product swap crew, which means that every time you want to recreate this ad, you just have to upload new images, new product images into the chat, and the agent's going to get it done. If you want to know how we took a winning ad and scaled it across different characters and languages for different markets, check out part 2 of this video. The link is in the description below. I also break down exactly how much time it took and how much it cost me to make these ads in the second part, so go check it out.